In the previous clipping, I spoke about Danti Durge, who had asserted independence. And here, I will talk about two Brahmins who also carved out independent kingdoms. They were Mayur Sharanam and Harichandra. Mayur Sharanam carved out an independent kingdom at Karnataka, whereas Harichandra did the same at Rajasthan. Now, when these new kings sat on the throne, they felt the need of asserting more power, authority, and also acknowledgement from the general public. That is why they started opting for highest sounding titles to impress the people. And those titles were Maharaja Dhiraj, Tirubhuvan Chakravartin, and so on. Now, once they had established themselves as kings, the next was to have money to run the kingdom. And thus, they started collecting revenue for the same purpose. Now, the revenue or taxes were collected from the peasants, the artisans, the traders, the cattle keepers, and so on. Now, the money that was collected from these people was used for financing the king's establishment, for building temples, for building forts, and also for fighting wars. Besides, we see that those people who were involved in collecting revenue generally came from the influential families and sometimes those who were very close to the king's family, and generally the post was hereditary in nature.